a drone festival in which young children boasted their skills to operate unmanned aerial vehicles has been held. Blinking their lights, 8 small-sized drones are flying up in the air. They are dancing up and down in groups in the air to the beat of the music. Young future drone hopefuls are competing in a drone contest, showing off their skills and required to scramble and land the aerial vehicles.
드론을 날릴 때랑 착륙했을 때 조종하는 게 기분이 좋고 드론 조종사가 되는 게 저희 꿈입니다.
The drone competition event is the highlight of the festival, participated by some 230 primary, middle school, and high school teams. The festival also featured drone driving classes and drone simulator experience programs. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Ocean and Fishery has announced a plan to use drones to monitor illegal fishing and marine littering activities in its territorial waters. The drones will also be used for other purposes, including delivering goods and commodities to and from harbors and islands, and monitoring harmful blooms of algae and red tides, as well as near-shore water quality. Accordingly, the ministry is set to start deploying drones in 5 coastal cities, Busan, Incheon, Mokpo, Ulsan, and Yeosu, to monitor illegal fishing and marine littering on a trial basis next year. The ministry has also announced that it aims to deploy 500 drones and establish a relevant monitoring network by 2022 to effectively keep tabs on illegal offshore activities across the country.